Hi everyone, welcome to Wig Studio One. My name is Christy. Today I'm bringing you a wig review for Oxford by Belle Tress, part of their City collection. And this is in the color Raw Sugar Blonde, our color. Beautiful color. And this is, again, part of the City collection. And this was provided to me by wigstudio1.com, but this is my own thoughts and opinions. Down below is a link to Oxford. Is also a link to all of our social media accounts, our private Facebook group, and my Instagram and YouTube channel. My name is Wiggin with Christy. So this review is for you to help you choose if this might be the right piece for you so that you can see further of this style and also might learn about the style and the color. So this in suit with the Belle Tress City collection has no permatease. It has an extended lace front, left monofilament part, wefted, and an extended nape with Velcro adjusters, and the ear tabs are felt as well. I'll show that to you in a moment. So again, really just nice piece for it not like having a lot of permatease. You know, sometimes when you think of these wavy styles, you think it's loaded with permatease. And if I feel anything, it might be a little bit of return hairs, just very slightly, and very, very minimal, but I don't find that like you would typically think would be in this piece. I love like the curl in between a beach wave pattern. It has a side swept like French that has just a tiny layer here. So ladies that want to ask, can I cut a bang into this? Yes, you can. See how you could easily train this layer here and then cut in some wispy bangs into this style. Now, it's designed to be like that, but you can cut one in. I personally wouldn't cut it myself, but I would take it to a professional and they can cut that for you. This is a heat-friendly fiber, so you can apply heat to it. And I have mine parted like that. You can part it more like this. And it is a left monofilament part, so in this section here, you don't want to get too close to the lines because then it would show that wefting. You could go a little bit farther to the left if you want and see how amazing that looks as well. I just have mine parted here. Personally, that's where I prefer it. And then the extended lace front goes all the way to here. So it really allows for, if you wanted to pull off the face, you can get a real natural look. So this honestly kind of lifts off the face too. So I know many of you like that feature with these pieces and don't like it necessarily hanging in your face. So let's take a look at this color, Raw Sugar Blonde R. It's a 12, 14, 88 plus 8. It's a mixture of natural light blonde, honey blonde, pale gold blonde with the base of light brown low lights featuring medium root color. Now this cap construction has an extended lace front, left monofilament part, velvet felt ear tabs, extended nape with Velcro adjusters, and very, very minimal permatease, if any at all. Looks so natural, low light density. What was your thoughts on Oxford? I love this style. So Oxford really reminds me of the John Renault Rachel, and that was immediately what I felt when I put it on. I love this style though. It's such a great piece. All right, so we hope you enjoyed this review of Oxford by Belle Tress. This is now available to purchase at wigstudio1.com. Down below is a link of where you can purchase that. We hope you have a great day. Bye.